What kind of shows do you like to watch? What kind of shows do you like to watch? I watch a lot of comedies. I never miss an episode of Grey's Anatomy. Have you seen any good movies recently? I've seen a few, like The Dark Knight, Despicable Me, and The Hunger Games. What do you think was the best movie that came out this year? For sure, Avengers was the best movie. What do you usually do on the weekend? I try to go out and enjoy myself on Saturdays. I always go to church on Sunday. Have you been to the beach this summer yet? I'm usually the first one on the beach.